So hello guys, we are back in another video, and in this video we are covering the AI agents. So basically I will give you how to find the new AI agents. Okay guys, so in this video make sure you guys buckle up and press the like button and also press the subscribe button for more video. So the thing is, I will tell you how to catch a fish by your own hands. So basically you right now you are seeing the various AI agents which are right now is very popular. And if we just go to the AI agent tab, you can see the AI meme coin and the you can see the AI meme coin right now is the basically AI agent coin also are pretty much very trending right now. You can see the people and the how much the people are investing their money on those coins, and they are actually getting a good amount of return on investment as compared to the meme coin. So basically this is the new trending, and this is the very early guys. And yeah, so you guys can find the AI meme coin or the categories by just going the on the CoinGecko, or if you are familiar with the coin market cap, you can go to the coin market cap and just search for the go to the filter section or category section. You can find the various coin like the AI and big data. So you can find many coins right now here. And AI meme coin, let me just show you. It's right now it's AI agents. You can see there's many agents right now is coming, and many of them the people used to come in this start of the 2025 and the end of the 2024. But if you want to get very early on this type of project, I will tell you how you can just easily invest your money on the upcoming coin, and I will tell you how to find a coin which is quite good for the utility and for their fundamental. For example, let me show you the great example of like Griffin, which is the most popular token right now. I just came. It's like the Griffin, and let me show you their website. And basically it's the Solana blockchain, and but it's doing, it's the AI agent itself, and doing various tasks and automating things. And it's pretty much good to go platform. Its like ability is to have their agent sniper, agent flippers, and many things right now it's doing. And yeah, so basically right now it's very under under the red bar, basically the oversold. So yeah, so you it's you can just guys can what can you can do is to buy some of the a good AI agent coin. Right now you can see the AI and AI agent is very trending. But if you just open the coin market cap new yearbook or token unlocks, you can find much more. But in this video I am going to cover the AI agent topic. So let's start the AI agent. And yeah, so these are the CMC top cryptos performer, in which we have the fart coin and Ondo real world assets and something like that. So I will cover this again into another video. Yeah, so right now this is the also the wrapped stake and restake platforms tokens. And yeah, same I will cover in this another video. So yeah, so main purpose is the AI agents and AI platforms. So right now the artificial intelligence alliance and the virtual protocols are very trending one. And I will tell you how to find a meme coin or AI meme coin or AI agents, as you know. So let's start the video and press the bell icon. So my purpose is to give the proper knowledge. So first of all, you want to see in AI agent is the proper utility. So this is the AI agent. You need to see what it is capable of. For example, what automation it's doing, like what automation it's doing. For example, example you can say like the Griffin, for example. It's doing the AI sniper, AI trading, and something like that. It's the automation because it is doing everything automatically. So automation mean doing thing automatically. So yeah. And second thing, how much supply it have. And third thing is the community. So it's the fundamental of the same meme coin space. So basically you need to know what you guys are investing and what's their supply is, and automation, and their their the technical analysis, like their holding and something like that, and their top 10 holders, and supply, and everything you need to do is to first you need to do these three steps, and then you need to analyze the token on the basis of technical analysis, and you need to see if you are investing in the right coin or not. So yeah, so let's start with the first platform, which we have the cookie.fun. Basically cookie.fun is the very generic platform, and you can use to find the various like AA agent coin, and basically it give you an overview, like as you know, I'm searching the newest AI coin, but it's the premium variant. You can see the latest AI coin, but you can find the various undervalued coin right now here by just clicking on the their 24-hour volume or something like that. You can just check where is the people are investing the money. For example, let me just open the like tank token and head toward the like text screener or the photon. So let's go to the photon and just paste the address, and we can see like it was on the radium, and when it was launched, let's see when it was launched. So verify profile, pulled, and let's see. For A's, what you can do is to open the text screener also. Like if you want to buy quick buy, you can use the photon, but for the like easy purpose, you can just paste the address, token address. And then remember guys, don't waste time on the Twitter. First you need to check the token website. If the token website is good, and white paper and everything, then it's quite good to go. So right now it's the like 1 month old and just reached to 34 million market cap. So what you can do, open the chat GPT and just copy the link and open the chat GPT. So right now just just copy and paste the code, and it will search and for you. And yeah, so it will just do some technical and fundamental analysis and the things everything for you. And yeah, so you need to just generate me a white paper if I buy or not, for example. So it will just suggest you to it's your financial advice, but it will generate you the white paper investment. So yeah, so if you just read these full tokenomics and things, and you can just understand what I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to say to you guys is to just see the platform and just use the ChatGPT to understand their tokenomics and the framework and the platforms. So yeah, so these are the things that you need to know. For example, if we just close the agent tank and just head toward the other coin, for example, if we just pick the USA coin, and let's see what we got here, and just paste the address on the photon for the emergency quick buy if the token is like good to go. So yeah, so you need to be very quick guys in this. So this is the method that I'm showing you. It's the method 1. So this is the method 1 I'm showing you. So let's see American coin. Okay, 41 million, not bad, but let's see on the 1 hour basis, like it's 10-month old, and you don't need to invest on this. So basically just avoid this, just open this and just go to the prototype. And when you go to prototype and just go to the new pair and just sort ads the created one, you can find the various coin right now the 6 minutes ago, and you need to just open these coin into the new tab, and it is giving you the entertainment industry productivity categories. Like you can find the various use case, and let's find a good coin right now. So yeah, so my goal is to find the productivity, because the productivity coin is right now trending, and as we can see right now it's just pretty much dump, and it's quite dump right now, and yeah, same here. So it's like similar to the pump.fun. You can find some new coins and everything is like that, and what you can do is you can use their filter. Let's see their market cap also. Just go to the new pair and just do the market cap thing. Let's see the lowest and the highest market cap. So this is the like 2 months ago, a day ago. So let's see what is they are doing. So they have a highest the volume base, and what we can do is like to copy the address and just paste it here, and you can find the more fundamental and the use case here. Basically it's on the base chain, so we are looking for the Solana chain. So yeah, just head toward the cookie.fun again, and just sort by ecosystem. Just use the AI agent layer and just use the chain. You can just use the chain button right now here, and you can find the like fart coin and the griffin, and you can find the tank and various coin right now here. And basically what you can do is just to click and buy a good coin. Like for example is the act. So basically the act, and just click on their like paste the address and everything. So let's see how much they have the like 246 million market cap, and doing good. So these are the things that you need to know, and you need to do like research, and you need to invest very early on these type of coin. And if you just see the productivity, and you need to sold on the time, and you need to take your profit, and just see the market behavior and everything. So this is for this video, and make sure you guys like and subscribe and follow me for more. And yeah,